Spizike Low. The Sky is Not the Limit 2025. The pale green translucent parts that cover the tongue, outsole, and eye-stay wings with glow-in-the-dark sheens are perhaps the shoe's primary attraction, as the moniker suggests. To evoke the traditional starry ceiling found in children's decor, the pattern is also applied through stars on the heel counter and on the swoosh in a similar location. From a narrative perspective, it aligns nicely with the shoe's title, which is another example of how Jordan's incredible achievements are transformed into a message of inspiration for the next generation. The sneaker school box, which completes the delivery and adds some last playful touches to the packaging, pays off our introduction. The Jordan Spizike Low The Sky Is Not the Limit, available only in GS sizing, is anticipated to be available on Nike.com and Jordan shops in the upcoming weeks. When it is released, expect to pay $120 at retail.